Typhoon Tsunami made landfall in China's southeastern coast and Taiwan on Friday, state weather agencies said, after the storm battered parts of the Philippines and killed at least 39 people, including dozens on an overcrowded boat that capsized in strong winds. The typhoon slammed into China's coastal Fujian province at around 10 o'clock. Local time, the National Meteorological Center said. More than 724,600 people were affected, while more than 416,000 in Fujian had already been evacuated, Chinese state news agency Xinhua reported. The winds around the time of landfall were approaching 175 kilometers per hour, 108 miles per hour, according to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Across China, several coastal cities, such as Xiamen, Quanzhou and Songzhou, had temporarily shut businesses, factories, and schools as of Friday afternoon, Xinhua added. The typhoon also caused power cuts in parts of Xiamen, according to the state grid Xiamen Electric Power Supply Company, state media reported. It is estimated that Tsunami has caused direct economic losses amounting to 52.27 million yuan, $7.3 million, state media said, citing the impact the storm has had on firm land.
إلى مصر للمشاركة في اجتماع الأمناء العامين للفصائل والذي من المقرر أن يعقد غدا الأحد في مدينة.
Nearby Taiwan is still facing heavy rains from the storm. However, the island's weather agency removed its highest rainfall warning on Friday morning. At least one person died and 68 people have been injured as a result of the typhoon, Taiwan's Central Emergency Operations Center said in a briefing on Friday.